channel, The Flavorful Home, and we are in my kitchen again. And today I am bringing you a very quick and easy pasta dish that you will have on your table in no time flat. If it takes you 30 minutes, it'll be a lot. A little myth debunked. Traditional spaghetti carbonara doesn't have any cream in it. It is made strictly with the eggs and the cheese. So the recipe I'm using, no cream. You know the drill. Let's gather the ingredients and get it going. Come on. Okay, so what do we have here? You have a pound of linguine. That's fine. You can use linguine, spaghetti, even the thinner fettuccine. I wouldn't do capellini. That's too thin. You need, and that's right here, 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil or olive oil. You need good old standby pepper. You need salt. Not a lot, because you have the cheese here, which you're going to need a cup of the Parmesan cheese or the Pecorino Romano. So hold back on your salt. Do not use the salt until your cheese is all incorporated. You have 4 cloves of garlic, 2 eggs. I'm using just a small bunch of parsley from my garden, and these are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 thick slices of bacon. It calls for 4 ounces of pancetta or slab bacon, cubed or sliced into small strips. So I'm going to start chopping all this up and get my pan heated. I already have my pot of water boiling for the pasta, because you want to be able to get that pasta cooked and ready to go into your egg mixture. So I'm going to get this going. As a matter of fact, let me just show you how very quickly, because I don't want to bore you with the cutting of items, but this is how I do my, you want just a small cutting of it, a dice, so that you can get it crisping up in your pan. So let's get in close. Here's your little, well, let's cut that one. There you go. You just want small pieces, and it's going to go into a hot pan to cook. I'm going to get this prepared, and into the pan it's going to go. Okay, we're going to put our garlic in and just give it a stir around so that it's fragrant. Oh my gosh, as soon as garlic hits, it's like automatic heaven. The aroma is so wonderful. Can you smell it? And I'm actually going to move it over because I don't want it on the heat, and I'm going to keep stirring it. There's my linguine. I'm going to show you that too. Linguine. You want to toss your pasta constantly so that it doesn't stick. Let's grab one. Let's see if I could kind of. You can usually, not yet, you can tell by feeling it more so in pastas like penne or rigatoni, you'll feel that they're still a little hard. Okay, we're going to move that over a little. And this is what the bacon looks like. Not dark brown black. Still pinkish and red. Okay, as soon as the pasta's ready, we'll come back because we're going to assemble the sauce. Okay, we're going to put the linguine right into here. Listen to that sizzle. And I like doing this because it pulls some of that hot pasta water, which makes even a creamier sauce. So it's always a good idea to hold back some of your pasta sauce water. Listen to me, I'm saying sauce. My pasta water helps enhance the creaminess. And we're going to get all that linguine out. And then you're going to do a super de-duper quick mix. Of course, we got all that luscious garlic. I'm going to move this over again to here, and then I'll move you with it. Alrighty. I dip it again. And if I feel it needs more pasta water, I have it right next to me. And you want to do it like speedy. And you want all that cheese to melt too. And there you go. I'm going to put a little more pasta water in. And mix, mix, mix. Let me hold it with my pot holder. And you can see the beautiful silkiness. Can you see that? Let me pull you down. I'm even going to do a little more. Because you just want it silky. You want it silky and satiny and beautiful. And then I'm going to hit it with some fresh cracked pepper. As the pasta queen says, a scrunch of pepper. And then give it a swirl. Oh, yes, indeed. Beautiful. Alrighty, friends, we're going to plate up and taste it. Alrighty, folks, I like to put a little sprinkle of cheese. And that's a beautiful plate of spaghetti alla carbonara. Okay, folks. I'm gonna get some of my spaghetti and some of my bacon. It smells like heaven. So good, creamy, delicious. Hope you like that recipe. Till next time, go create something wonderful. Bye-bye.